Hello everybody! In today's video I'll show you how to make an origami lucky star. This mod is very interesting because it only requires a very narrow paper rectangle, so you'll be able to use all the scraps of material you have at home. The size of this rectangle can vary, but for a better result I recommend to use at least 30 cm wide and 1 to 2 cm high. But as I said, the size can vary, you can use any piece of paper you have, as long as it is a rectangle. To make it even easier, you can start with a whole sheet of paper and divide into 16. Having this rectangle, our next step is to tie a knot on the right side. You just need to bring the right side up, making a lace or a loop. Now going through the middle. And pull it very carefully, creating the knot. When it closes, we'll have something like a pentagon. You'll have a little bit of paper left over on the right. Let's fold it back, creating one of the pentagon's edges. Now turn it over, unfold, and put the difference under the middle layers. Let's go back to the other side. Now pay close attention. We need to fit this larger part under the front layer. The pentagon is closed. Let's go to the other side. And now, to keep the pentagon shape, we are going to have to go over the top. Throughout this process, there will be moments where the paper will go over, and others under the layer. On the other side, we'll do the same. Just pass the paper over. But on the next, we'll be able to put it under the layer. Every time you do this, the paper will become more resistant. Now that you know how to do it, just repeat the same logic until the end. Right here at the very end, we are going to have to fit what is left. And for that you have two options. The first is to simply go over and, if possible, fold a little bit of paper under the first layers, just like we did in the very beginning. We have the pentagon ready. The next option, the option I recommend, is to leave the paper a little more unfold, bring it over, and then fold the difference to the middle, keeping it inside the pentagon. Then just fit the paper under the middle layers And to make it easier, you can use a pen cap or some other tool to help push inside. With this step ready, just push the 5 sides to the middle, forming a star. And now our origami lucky star is ready! Now that you understand the logic, the next attempts will be much easier and you'll be able to make as many stars as you want. I really hope you liked this video. If yes, remember to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.